Gibor pulet kanong po police traffic branch kilaya beteng mana gijing bisa pet ba lo gijing long ko san man pikir apanya ki kali sausaka niki archaka haga bah haga kat kandai trek kula lengkot arajar arpusan ki pulet kelai subha daki helmet shekinongnya ya ki archaka hanong po haga ni gijing mi ki pulet kanong po police traffic branch belalam kemat daki officer pulet lasaki bagilasam ya ki helmet shekinongnya ki archaka rengkar gijing kentu baban aji kai ki kendon nya kali nalo gijing penchai bakim de banyak klama kor ki tok tok hai ki surok ba bat ban buram lam ki wei pat ki bayat beyeng hak surok ba la sakiru gijing sam ya kini ki helmet che ki klung kena ru kum gijing pesoto ye ki belasan ro gijing koridor jong ka helmet ke bane dai ki klung kena bat ki wei ki shong lang ha ki archaka hagre ki si bor pulet nalor bakilasa me gini ki helmet ila penlong ru gijing talasi kato kini ginongnya akali ki bamperan kami ki seat belt ki bamperan kami ki helmet bat ki wei banang aji kai ki pat ba ban buram ki kendon nya akali kebelong ru kum kejing aji kai shwa kejing rake ya ka singi yo republic ar hajar ar pusan.
The awareness is on road safety. If you don't wear helmet, you know what is happening, na? It is safety for you. Okay, wear helmet, at least you will not get serious injuries and all. Huh? It is your duty to wear helmet to save yourself, own self. Because you see daily these accidents are going on. Yes or no? So, you see now the casualties how. If you wear helmet, at least the seriousness of nature now will be less. But if you don't wear helmet, you will get very serious this thing, na? No. So please, this is my request to all of you to please wear helmet. Okay?